Hey guys, what's happening? So, are you someone who's trying to build a social media following or a business on Instagram? Or are you someone who's already done that but now is seeing a fall in engagements? Or are you just someone who's very interested in how Instagram works? Well, this video is going to be very important for you. With over 2 billion users on Instagram daily, it is not shocking that the platform depends on bots and algorithms to curate or basically take care of the content that is being uploaded onto the platform itself. But due to these bots and algorithms, there have been cases where users have seen a slower growth or just no growth at all on their posts or their likes or their followers. And well, they later on go on to find out that they have been blocked from accessing their account, and which they later find out is being shadow banned. Now, shadow ban is a very sneaky little way to slow down an account's growth and later on just block that account from existence. And well, that is what this video is all about. We're going to understand what is shadow ban, why does it exist in the first place, how to know if you've been shadow banned or your account has been affected by it, and how to avoid it. Well, what are we waiting for? This is Gaurang, you're watching Guide in Tech. Let's get started. So the first question is, what is Instagram Shadowban? Okay, let's get one thing straight. Instagram Shadowban is not an official term. It is not being used by Instagram or pointed out by Instagram in any manner. What it means is reducing the number of interactions and engagements with the posts of an account by reducing its overall discoverability on the platform and then finally blocking it. Which raises the question, why does it exist in the first place? There have been users who have been able to figure out a way around the not so strict community guidelines of Instagram. They've been able to post content which is graphically shocking or violent or sexually suggestive. These could be in the form of offensive jokes, very inappropriate memes, or anything. And we have to remember that there are multiple thousands of these posts being uploaded to Instagram every day. And since they continue to be within the community guidelines still, which are not so strict, again, Instagram can't outrightly just remove them. Hence, that's where Shadowban is coming. So how does Instagram Shadowban work? Okay, Shadowban starts with reducing the discoverability of the account. So the biggest way to discover accounts on Instagram is through the Explore page. Explore page helps you search for different accounts, hashtags, posts, anything. And along with that, you also see all of the different posts and reels from every user on Instagram, which are specifically relevant to you. This relevance is decided by Instagram's algorithm. This algorithm is also responsible for analyzing each and every post that is uploaded to Instagram. If posts from a particular account are basically tagged offensive, then these posts will stop showing up on the Explore page, along with the associated account not showing up on the search bar. This is because even though Instagram can't remove these posts, they can hide them and then hide the account altogether. Now, all of this seems fine, but this can happen to you as well. After all, this process is dependent on bots and algorithms. So if you post something with no bad intentions, it can be tagged as offensive, and then if it happens often, you can eventually be shadow banned. So that can obviously hamper your life and basically ruin the business that is dependent on your Instagram profile. And now that we know how big of a concern it is, well, the next question comes in, that is, how do we fix this? Now, fixing a problem obviously starts with knowing if you have the problem or not. And for that, there is a tool where you can see if your account or your post have been affected by an Instagram shadowban. And that is account status. Account status helps you provide insight into how your post or your account has been affected by the different community guidelines of Instagram. It also helps you find out if your posts have been taken down, or you can also flag if you disagree with Instagram's actions on your account in any way. To get to account status, open Instagram and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Select account and tap account status from the following menu. If your account isn't affected by the shadow ban, Instagram will show this message on your screen. So now, whenever you feel that your engagements are lower than before, you can simply go to account status and see if your account has been affected in any way. Now, if your account has been affected, then apart from what we've already talked about, there can be some more reasons due to which your account is in the situation it is right now. And it is very much key to understand all of these different reasons in order to fix the problem. And Instagram doesn't really list these problems out or these particular points out anywhere, but these are just the possible reasons for which your account has been penalized. These could be violating Instagram community guidelines or posting inappropriate content. Fake engagements such as paying for likes and new followers can also result in this situation. When you use banned hashtags on Instagram, the company may limit your account and posts on the explore page. When you add too many hashtags in a post, Instagram algorithms may detect it as spam and limit the reach. The company may act on your post if you frequently engage in trending hashtags. So now if we know that our account has been affected, how do we remove Instagram shadowban? Now the first thing that you need to do is to find out the root cause for the shadowban. Report the shadowban to Instagram. Check all of your different posts and look for hashtags that might have caused the problem and remove all of the third-party access to your Instagram account. Once you find out the actual cause that affected or resulted in the Instagram shadowban, go ahead, publish a new post, but rigorously follow all of the community guidelines. And in order to avoid this in the future, avoid using sketchy third-party tools to automate your Instagram account. If Instagram detects unauthorized access, it may impact your account reach on the explore page. Do not spam on Instagram by following too many accounts in a short time. And avoid using banned or broken hashtags on Instagram. And well, that was it. If you liked the video, like it. If you loved the video, then press the red subscribe button. And beside that, you'll find a bell icon. Press that, you'll get notifications for all our videos from now on. This has been Gaurang, and I'll see you in the next one.